Mm. So you see this pullback that is happening here.
Yes.
This pullback that is happening here.
Yes.
You will see that if we go to daily now, it will be a massive bullish trend. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
So this is how this market structure confuse a lot of people. So from here now, imagine we have something like an order block from around here. I don't know if you can see it with an FVG. So let's cover with the FVG as well. Yeah, it's like price. Okay, if we highlight it, price has not tapped into it yet. So we have
Yes.
that. This is on weekly. Oh. So let's go to daily.
Yes.
So this is daily. So on daily, okay. This is the order block we mark on weekly, right?
Yes.
Mhm. If you want, you can come back here like this and then refine it. You know what refinement means, right?
Yes.
You can refine it
You
because
arrange and well.
arrange it and then go back.
Yes.
This is basically how I do my analysis, so and then go back.
Mm.
So from here now, you want to know that this movement that is happening here, from here coming like this bullish trend
It's
now,
still bullish.
this
Yeah.
bullish market, this bullish trend that is giving you here is just pull back. Do you understand?
Yes.
It's just pull back. The reason why it's just pull back is because this is what we have on weekly. Sorry. This is what we have on weekly. Sorry. This is what we have on weekly. If you see here now, please look at this chart here. Are you seeing this level?
Yes.
If we look at this
Yes.
place very well now, you know that something similar like this happened here. Are you seeing? This was our last,
Yes.
this was our last what? Lower low.
Lower low.
Do you see how price was coming back like this? Was coming back like this.
Yes.
Let's highlight this
Yes.
movement and then go to daily and check. You also see that it was also the same, almost the same thing to what happened here. Let's go to daily. Yo, uh let's zoom it. So are you now seeing?
Yes.
Is it not
It
the
was still
same
going up.
impulse we have from that point to here? But as price tapped into something that was here, if we check here very well now, we notice that there was somewhere. Let's mark where this price reach. Price reach around this level, right?
Yes.
So let's mark it like that. So let's check around that level. Let's know whether there was something there. Thank you. Do you see
Uh,
this other block here?
Yes.
You see this other block?
Yes.
The reason why I put this line for you to know that okay, this is where price tab into. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
So
No
we are
more.
taking to know
And
where
98 is something other block. Oh.
telling you. So as you see as price, this is a very clean order block. So let's just imagine say
Yes.
you were you from me like this, you see this trend here now, and you say, oh, we are in a
Yes.
bull, you just keep on buying without having it in mind that the overall trend is uh bearish. And then you as you even
Yeah.
reach yourself, see as you even reach yourself, you even have a clean this thing here, clean order block
Break of
here,
structure.
break of
Yeah.
structure with a very clean order block with an FVG here, self.
MVG.
Then you are thinking of taking this trade without knowing that, oh, price was bearish and price is about to come back to normal trend. And then you start seeing that
This
dump.
thing that they record now, that they watch and they show.
So from here like this, you want to pay
I dey hear
attention.
you, bro.
From here, like, are you hearing me? Hello?
Yes,
From here like
I
this,
can hear you.
from here like this, you want to pay attention. From here, this is
Okay.
the you are in a bullish trend. You are expecting price to this is where you are last level where you are expecting price to reach before you
Yes.
keep on
Start
dumping again.
selling.
So from here like this, you are going to be targeting small buy to reach to this point. Do you understand?
Yes.
But from this
Yes.
buy now, you notice you have a last break of structure here.
Yes.
So even if you are thinking of a buy, that buy should be where?
Should be down.
Here,
No.
here.
Yes.
We are not taking that on this daily, right?
Yes.
We are not taking that on this daily because on this daily now we see from here, this is the impulse we have, and price has already mitigated.
Yes.
Are you seeing it?
Mitigated. Yes.
This
Yes.
is the impulse we have. Price has already mitigated. So let's go to 4 hours. From 4 hours now, sorry, how about doing this thing? Doing this thing. From 4 hours now, we forgot about what happened here because this one has already played. Price has already tapped here. So we want to pay attention. As price tap here, we want to pay attention to what happened from here. This is the movement you want to pay attention to. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
So from here now, if you still want it, you can continue marking your breakout structure. You can see that there is a change of character
Yes.
here. This was the last breakout structure, right?
Yes.
Then you have a change of character here.
Yes. To the upside.
Let me mark this last breakout structure here so that you understand. Mhm. Then you have this other block waiting for you.
Very sharp.
Do you see?
Yes.
Do you have anything you need to take this trade?
Omo. It's clean.
You have everything. This is a breakout structure. This is the
Yes.
last a change of character. This is the last breakout structure. We are
Yes.
not choosing this one because this is where this movement happened. Do you understand?
Yes.
And then you have
Yes.
a clean FVG here. See liquidity. Very beautiful trade sitting here. The
Mhm.
price will come and clear. You also have liquidity above here, buy side liquidity.
Yes.
Remember, we are buying to sell up here. So as you are
Yes.
waiting for this price to come and drop here now, you want to check if you also have a small sell for you to sell to this point. I don't know why you're understanding.
Yes.
Me selling here doesn't mean I'm saying that this trend now turn already
Sort
we're
of
already
bearish.
bearish. So I'm not
Yes.
saying price wants to continue pushing down to break this level. I'm selling from here to buy. This is
Yes.
where I'm going to say aggressively because I know that if price should tap here, you see how to continue dumping. So let's go down to one hour. I'll tell you the reason why. But do you agree with this other block?
Yes.
Do you agree with it? Do you agree?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hmm. So let's go to 1 hour. You ask me why I take the sell trade. So on this 1 hour now, you want to pay attention. Since we have this other block here, price has not mitigated, right?
Yes.
We notice that price come down, giving us this clean liquidity to validate this other block, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And then price push up again, start giving us this internal structure, but we're not really paying attention to it. And then from here,
Yes.
price come. This is where we were expecting price to touch this other block. But still, price still did not touch it. Price still pull back again, leaving this clean FVG. See, there's how many candle here? One, two, there are just few candle here. Leaving us with
Yes.
this other block with a clean FVG. So as price pull back here now, What are you expecting? This is where you were expecting price to touch this level, but price did not touch it. And the
Yes.
price was still, see, sell price will come down to the other block, still did not tap into it. And then you have this clean other block here. And price was just moving, coming like this. So from here now, the reason I took this trade, let me check the time frame I took it.
From this down safe, you can even take a bet to where that trigger yourself.
From where?
From
From
the
here?
yeah, from that down. Yes.
That is if price reach here and still reverse again. Because
No,
this
not
is
the back. It has already happened. That trigger your sell upward. Look the back.
okay,
That
okay. Are
place
you
that
talking about
sweep.
above here?
No, the down that you mark your TP.
Here, right?
That back. The back. Go to the back. Uh-huh.
Here, right?
Yes.
Yes, you are saying for me, I say you can also take a trade. But remember, you cannot, this is a 45-minute time frame.
Yes. You
This
cannot
one,
trust it.
let's mark it. You can also trust this one, but you remember the one you got on the higher time frame, it has more. This one
It's
has been
much
mitigated
better.
now.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So
Okay,
this one
okay.
trigger this bear to
Oh,
go and
I
trigger your sell.
oh, I thought you were saying there's a buy this thing here.
No, no.
Yes. So here now, I have like should I say 70? No, 95% that this this trade will come and sweep those liquidity here and tap into this main order block.
The TP is sure.
Do you understand? So this is the reason why
Yes.
here now I'm selling to buy and sell. Because imagine you just keep waiting for price to come and reach to this other block before you say, like in the next how many months, sef, like you still did not have
Throughout
any
throughout this
single trade. You not even
throughout
trade.
this year, throughout this year, no need them.
So this is how to trade against the trend, basically. You
Okay.
sell if trend is bullish, you sell, you do this thing, you buy, you sell to buy,
You said to buy.
you sell to buy. If trend is bearish,
Okay.
you buy to sell. That is if
Okay.
price is not close to your entry.
Yes.
So basically, this is how to trade against the trend smartly. So do you understand how I got this trade?
Yes.
So that is it. And do you see how I started marking from higher time frame? I did not waste time that like you are going to this you are paying attention to those internal structure. Do you
Internal
see what
structure.
do you see what I get on the weekly? Okay, let me look for
Yes.
another this thing again. Which other this thing I give you? Nasdaq, right?
Yes, Nasdaq.
Mm-hmm. Let's try to analyze Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, there's really nothing to pay attention. There's something I also want to show you. This is basically for Nasdaq and gold and BTC sometimes. When you have something, when price is not giving you structure now to spot, you can
Yes.
see there's no way you say you start marking this thing because if you mark this time, so your last break of structure, if you go down to higher time frame, to small time frame, this is price. You notice that price is very far from where you mark your setup. I don't know why you
Yes.
understanding me. So from here now,
Yes.
you come on the weekly. Remember, I said something before I start explaining what I'm explaining now. I say this is basically on NAS 100
That.
and
Yes.
gold
Gold
and sometimes
and BTC.
BTC. In
Yes.
fact, any concept that is volatile to an extent is not giving you structure for you to mark. Because here now,
Yes.
there's nothing for you for us to mark now. If we mark this one as
Yes.
our last break of structure, and then we are hoping for price to come back to this other block to buy, and that is very, very unrealistic setup. So when you face
Yes.
this kind of challenge, there's another way to trade this. Very, very easy.
Okay.
So you are going to pick you are going to put the last high price has already got into and the last low,
Yes.
which is this one. Please pay
Okay.
attention, please.
Yes.
So, and you are done. This chance now, you don't need to start marking small, small. You don't need anybody to tell you that you are bullish.
Yes, it's bullish.
So we are done on weekly. Let's go daily. Is there anything to mark on daily?
No.
There's nothing to mark on daily. Let's go on. As far as we are going, if you did not see nothing obvious to mark, keep on going until you see structure to mark. So do we
Okay.
see structure here to mark?
Yes.
We see structure here to mark, but we still go down
Yes.
to get
Okay.
a better structure. So this is
Yes.
2 hours, right?
2 hours. Yes.
These 2 hours, if this structure here itself is still confusing, you can still go down. But let's say we understand the structure from here.
Yes.
This guy, you want sleep? You don't yawn
No,
already.
no, 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 no.
From
No.
here now, you have your last break of structure here. Well, this is the
Yes.
obvious one here.
Yes.
You have this last break of structure here, and you have this low here, right?
Yes.
uh So if I'm marking this one as your low like this, which high now break the structure?
They had a break. Okay. This other one up.
Which one?
No. Go up, up.
This one.
Yes. Or the obvious one upward.
Remember, as price break structure here, let me mark it. As price break structure here,
Yes.
which one becomes our last high?
That last one.
This one, this one,
No.
this one.
No. No. The upper one. The upper one. Sorry.
Which upper one? This is where last break of structure happened. So which upper one?
Yes. Look at the high. The where that break of structure happen.
This one
No, go back. Where you started that markup from.
from here.
Yes. Yes. Higher high.
Higher low.
Yes. Yes.
Which high
Okay.
high
Yeah.
again? This one,
Yeah. This
this
one.
one,
That one. The one you touched before.
this one.
If you said that one is not obvious, then it will be the other up
You see
one.
the reason why you see I purposely like choose to stop on this 2 hours to ask for your response. Because here now, if you say you want to stop here now, you notice that this structure is still not obvious. You are not getting a very clean break of structure here for you to read. This is the last obvious structure. But if you choose this one now to
Yes.
mark, there's a lot of structure that happened here. You cannot choose
Yes.
this one as your last break of structure and choose this one as your last lower low, and this one will become your last higher high. No, now there's a lot of things that
Okay.
happen here. Just that this
Yes.
market was just not giving us structure. So when you face in this kind of trend, and trust me, if we say this is our last break of structure, we will end up saying this
Yeah.
market is in a bullish trend. I don't know if you have seen that already. Me, I've even seen it even
Yes.
before I
It's
started market
bullish.
because if we say we are choosing this one as our last break of structure, we are not considering anything that happened here on this 2 hour time frame. That means we are saying this is our last break of structure and this becomes our last high. This is our last lower low. And price has
Yes.
taken the
Low
lower
and
low.
low.
That means we are saying we are in the
Yeah.
downtrend. So when
Yes.
we face on this kind of thing, we are going to delete this thing out
Okay.
and then get our structure clear. Remember what I told you. Until you get your structure cleared, so let's go to
1 hour.
1 hour. I start seeing the structure now coming out small, small.
Yes.
We want to like get where we have a change of character, where we have our last break was to the upside, which is at this point. This is our last high, right?
Yes.
So let's try to zoom out. So I think we can have our last break of structure. Or are we having this one?
Yes. That one.
If we're having that one, then we have to look for 45 minutes so that this will be very try. Um, to be very obvious. You- so are you now seeing what I'm telling you? Are you now seeing this clear structure now?
Yes.
So as far as the structure is not obvious, don't force yourself to mark it, because if you like force yourself to mark it, you get the structure wrong. Remember, if we mark our structure on that 2 hours now, we already gotten our trend to be a downtrend, which Nasdaq is very, very bullish.
Yes.
So we have to keep on, if price is trying to like confuse you with moving down straight line without printing structure, just moving like this to the upside or downtrend without giving us structure, like
Yes.
this, like this. We want to keep on opening these charts, going to small time frame until this chart now is obvious for you to mark. Because the only way you will know the direction of the market is for you to understand how this price is moving. And understanding that you cannot have a chart like this and then you read it. You cannot read a chart like this. Chart will not
Yes.
give you something like this. Chart will always move upward, downward, upward again, downward. So this is how market move now. Have you seen market move like this? It's not move like
No.
this. So as you are seeing this move like this, you are not paying attention to it. You are going to be like keep on zooming in until on small time frame until you have a clear chart to read, and that is the one you are using. But we got our trend on higher time frame. I don't know whether you
Yes.
remember.
Yes.
On weekly was where we marked that last high, where we marked this line, right?
Yes.
uh So now we have seen structure here clear to mark. Can you also say this structure is not obvious?
Yeah, it's obvious.
Very obvious now. So this is how we are going to start. Last break of structure happen. So this last break of structure that happened here, which one now are we choosing as our change of character?
Change of
Remember, we
character.
have this long week
It,
here, and we have this small
yes.
candle here as well.
Um, we are choosing this down one.
With that one, this one, right? This one. Oh, this
Mm,
one.
yeah, that one.
This one.
Yes.
Why are you saying this one? Remember, price
Because
pull up
it's the
here.
obvious one.
How is this obvious one? If I just, how can you choose this one as your break? This one break. This one come here. Is it not the same one that give you this higher high? Price pull back again. This
Okay.
is where you have the break now. So why are you choosing this one?
Okay. 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 Okay.